Hello everyone, this is Emmanex Appliances, your shop lock. I want to show you our Hisense double door refrigerator. Very affordable. Have enough space. It's fast cooling, like they cool like mad, and very perfect for home use as well. You can see the space. You also have enough space here. You have another space here. You can see the space. Very big. Can contain anything. It's good for home use or shop as well. You can see it here. Very perfect. So send us a DM. We can deliver it to you without any stress at all. Fast delivering, no stress. Okay.